Hello. So me again. Today we're going to sort out saddles. We're going to swap out a saddle on my partner's bike. She's got a really old Voodoo saddle. I'm going to exchange it for another used saddle for my gravel bike, which has not been sat on yet. So she's going to be having the one for my gravel bike. It looks a bit smarter than her old worn out Voodoo one. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's a really simple process. If you've got to drop a post, it's always best to leave the drop a post in situ, because it just makes it a bit easier. Otherwise you've got to rewire the drop a post. Or if you haven't got to drop a post and you just take the seat post out the frame, it'll be easier. Put it on a workbench, put it on the kitchen side. Don't tell the missus, or she'll kill you. It makes it a bit easier to work at. But remember, you're going to have to make adjustments once it's fitted, and so it's comfortable for you. Right, so let's get cracking. We'll suss out what tools we need, and I'll show you what bits you're going to need. See you in a bit. So here we go. This is all you're going to need. If you're taking out if you're taking out the seat post, this is literally all you're going to need is a set of Allen keys. Right, or maybe even a spanner if you've got an older style bike. I think they're normally a 13mm bolt. But most of them nowadays are Allen keys. So let's get straight onto it, shall we? So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. Bike's not propped up. So we're going to undo the stem. Let's hold that the right way, shall we? It's going to be awkward otherwise. So again, there are probably many other videos on doing this. Thousands of them probably on YouTube. But if you like following these, a bit of home mechanic stuff, give the channel a subscribe. It helps the channel out. It helps the growth of the channel. The more subscribers we get, the more we can give away, the more we can grow our channel, the more we can earn from YouTube, because remember we need to get up the watch hours as well. There we go, that's that bit done. Excuse the mess of the shed. So what you're going to do is get your seat, flip it upside down. On this one there's literally one bolt. Not that one, probably going to be the biggest bolt here, and it's going to be as tight as hell. You watch, tighter than a nun's chuff probably. But hey, you just sit there a minute. There we go. So, sorry about that. As I picked up my phone, I accidentally shut it down. So undo that bolt. You don't want to undo it all the way. Normally just enough to get that bit just there, just loose and spinning. So that's enough normally to get the seat off. I didn't even get to find the other seat. Oh, I see it. Seat post is off. So look at that. Look, gosh, how retro is that? So we're going to fit this WTB Volt, which is on my gravel bike, for my partner's bike. It's not been used. I don't even really like it. I wanted something a bit more retro on mine. So again, as said, you're going to have to make adjustments to make these fit for your bottoms and your riding style. 1 second. That's better. Make adjustments for the angles, for your bums, Again, I'm going to get my partner out here, so we can make this fit for her and her back. Now trying to do this up. I think I'm probably doing it the wrong way. I'm partially blocking the camera, so I apologise. Hold on 1 second there again. This has been a bit of a kerfuffle, this, isn't it? Probably the worst mountain bike video repair known to man. But hey. That's why I shouldn't have been trying to be so cocky and trying to do it all one hand, isn't it? It serves me right. So there we go. Seat dump. Remember, you're going to pinch that up, make adjustments to it, but I'm just showing you how it goes roughly, like that. As I showed you with the stem. It's always worth giving things a grease up whilst you're here, especially with the seat posts when they go up and down quite often. See that action there? That was when I was a lonely single man. I suppose you married men know about it as well. Anyway, slide up and down the greasy pole. Put that back in there. Seat post done back up. Bosh, done. Again, nice simple job. Give the seat a wipe over. Make adjustments to this seat for your back and your bottom and your riding style, and away you go. Anyway, remember, if you're enjoying these videos, give them a like and a thumbs up, and give the whole channel a sub. And again, I'll catch you very soon. And remember, we got this lot to fit the gravel bike. That's going to be fun. But you recognise those? They're free to 1 subscriber. Let's go.